Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Let's be honest, school taught us about triangles and cells, but not how to handle money. Today we're breaking down the 10 financial lessons every school should teach, lessons that can change your life. Let's dive in. First up, budgeting. It's not about restriction, it's about intention. A budget is simply telling your money where to go, not wondering where it went. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and investments. Track every expense for a month. You'll be surprised where your money leaks. Then, make conscious choices. Cut back on wants to fund what matters. Budgeting gives you control and is the first step to financial freedom. It's your roadmap. Next, credit scores. It's your financial reputation, and a high score saves you thousands in interest. Start by getting a no-fee credit card, use it for regular purchases, and pay it off in full every month. Never carry a balance. Keep your credit utilization under 30%, ideally under 10%. Payment history and low utilization are key. Master these, and your credit will open doors. Let's talk compound interest, the real wealth builder. Invest early, and your money earns interest on top of interest, snowballing over time. Start at $20, invest $100 a month, and you could have $450K by 65. Wait a decade, and you lose out on hundreds of thousands. Time is your biggest asset. Compounding is the closest thing to guaranteed wealth. Debt isn't all bad, if you know the difference. Good debt builds assets or income, like a mortgage or student loan. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains you. Use good debt wisely. Avoid bad debt at all costs. This is how you avoid financial traps. Investing isn't just for Wall Street. When you buy stocks, you own a piece of a business. For most, index funds or ETFs are the best start. They spread your risk across hundreds of companies. Buy, hold, and let the market and compounding work for you. You don't need to be an expert. Just start. Taxes. No one teaches you, but everyone pays them. Learn the basics. Income tax, tax brackets, deductions, and credits. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and Roth IRAs to save thousands. Understanding taxes is essential to keeping more of your money. Life throws curveballs. An emergency fund keeps you safe. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial safety net, not vacation money. Build it before you invest heavily. Your first paycheck can be confusing. Know the difference between gross and net pay. Understand deductions like FICA and Medicare. Learn your benefits, especially 401k matches. That's free money. Don't leave cash on the table. The world wants you to spend. Learn to resist. Recognize marketing tricks and avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, keep your spending steady and invest the rest. Smart spending is about intention, not deprivation. Mindset is everything. 80% of success is behavior. Set clear, specific goals and practice delayed gratification. Small choices like investing a bonus or packing lunch add up. Build habits, automate savings, track spending, review goals. Your mindset drives your financial future. Those are the 10 lessons I wish I'd learned in school. The system may not teach you, but you can take control now. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more real-world financial tips. Which lesson do you wish you'd learned sooner? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.